The 2014-2018 Buick Encore flip key programming differs greatly depending on whether you're adding a key or have lost all keys. If you have a working key, the process is simpler. Insert the existing key, cycle the ignition, and then program the new key fob by pressing the lock button. The Encore can store up to 8 keys. However, if all keys are lost, the process is much more complex, requiring an OBD scanner to reset the body control module. This is because the BCM must be put into a learn mode to accept new key transponder data. Attempting the all keys lost procedure without the correct tools can lead to vehicle lockout or BCM damage. For DIY key programming on the 2014 to 2018 Buick Encore, you'll need an OBDII scanner with GM-specific software, such as the Autel Maxicom MK808 or Foxwell NT650 Elite, along with a new or donor key blank. If adding a key with a valid existing key, follow the vehicle's built-in sequence. Insert the existing key, cycle the ignition, press the lock button on the new fob, and repeat for up to 8 keys. For all keys lost, connect the OBDI scanner to the vehicle's port, enter the VIN, and follow prompts to reset the BCM and program the new key. Be cautious with VIN matching. Be extremely cautious, as incorrect VIN matching or interrupted programming can cause BCM errors. Experts suggest DIY is viable for adding keys, but all keys lost scenarios are best left to professionals due to security risks. A 2024 J.D. Power survey indicated only an 8% success rate for DIY all keys lost programming.